Hello, first, make sure you purchase the right product. As shown in the video, it has a double-sided silicone backing. Next, peel off the red side of the silicone tape on the back of the product, leaving the adhesive on the windshield. Align it with the reference area and apply it. Before assembly, clean the surface with a cleaning cloth. Then, before removing the tapes, determine the installation reference. And now your product is ready. Have a happy day! Thank you for choosing us. Have a good day!